So this time I want to share the Cantonese steamed sponge cake or Malagao or Malago. And here are the ingredients. This recipe is adapted from One Tan Mian channel. And first, shift the cake flour and custard powder for about 3 times. This process is done for about 3 times because we want the flour to be more aerated and also prevent the lumps, so that when we pour the flour to the egg mixture, it will not be too heavy. Next, beat the eggs with high speed for 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, the color of the egg will become paler and thick. Add in the sugar little by little while keep on beating the egg for another 5 minutes. I use a mixture of brown sugar or white sugar with the palm sugar because the palm sugar has a distinct taste that is a bit caramelly, so I like that taste, so I use palm sugar. But if you cannot find palm sugar, you can use brown sugar instead. Add another tablespoon of sugar when the sugar has dissolved in the egg mixture, and after the last addition of sugar, beat the egg for another extra of 3 minutes until the egg mixture looks to becoming thick. And creamy, becoming thick and creamy like this. Add in the sifted flour mixture, and according to the recipe, you fold this flour mixture to the egg for about 30 times. I forgot how many I did, but around that, and do not overfold. As long as the flour has incorporated, you are done with the flour mixture folding. When it's mixed, add in the milk. And fold for another 20 times. When it's fully combined, cover the bowl with plastic or saran wrap and let it to rest for 2 hours. Meanwhile, you can prepare the pan for steaming. You can use a bamboo steamer like in dim sum, or you can use a steamer that goes together with a rice cooker, the plastic one. Or you can also, if you want to make a small version, a small steamer cupcake can also be used. For steaming, anything that has some holes can be used, and prepare the pan with the parchment paper. And set aside. After 2 hours, the color of the mixture becomes darker. And put the baking powder to the soda water. Mix well and pour into the cake batter. Fold for about 6 times. And add in the melted butter. Fold for another 10 times again, or until it is mixed. Pour the batter into the pan. And steam in the hot boiling water steamer for about 30 minutes by using a medium-high heat. Cover the lid with a clean towel to prevent the condensation to drop to the cake, and after 30 minutes, when the toothpick is inserted to the cake, it still has some wet crumbs, but it's okay. Remove the cake from the heat, and this cake tastes really nice when it is still warm, with some steam coming out from the cake. This is so fluffy and tastes really nice. And happy Chinese New Year! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. More videos are coming.